enjoy things.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You made it. You
We
made it.
Yeah. July everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today the boys are all geared up and we are heading to Umlingla, and it's a 5.5 hours ride. Depending on the breaks that we take, it may go a little high, but we have found out about the roads and all. One other thing to keep in mind is over here the offline maps also do not work, and there's no network, so your maps will not work over here. So you have to ask people. Don't go fast and overshoot the turn right left that you have to take, because once you do that there is nobody, you will be stranded. So just be careful about that, and see you guys at Umlingla. Look at them. Oh God. So now this is a patch of off-roading that we are doing to reach Umlingla. So like people say, हाँ बाइक पे बैठ के तो जाने का है, लेकिन भाई लोग इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not so easy, guys. Going to this terrain, the way the sun is out, but still the cold. It's still cold. My lips are gone for a toss. At Pangong, my lips started bleeding because I didn't take care of them at the start. I thought kuch nahi hoega, but I was wrong. This is where we are riding, guys. Nothing besides you, just open land, bare land, total off-roading. And this road is going to take us up there. That's where we are going. So in this entire valley we see rally.
The engine is overheating and the back tire is skidding a lot.
That is because of the gravel.
Yeah, because that this hand is also getting.
Bro, we have done 10 kilometers. We have done 5 kilometer ही है. अभी तू वापस.
Someone stay behind me now.
हाँ चल, I'll stay behind you. Come on.
I'll stay. Let's start. I'll stay behind. Go.
Alright everyone, as you have noticed, it's just the three of us now. Now Rally was having some difficulties with the terrain and his shoulder was causing him some pain. Now we advised him to turn back and rest at the hotel. While we are saddened that he couldn't join us all the way to the top. As a group, we sometimes have to make those tough decisions, keeping in mind health and well-being. That's why we decided it was best for him to head back.
Okay, so the off-roading still continues and we have to go up there I don't know if you can see the car going up in the camera on that mountain top there. That's where we have to go and still keep going further. So guys, it is fun, adventure is there, a lot of risk also comes with this. As we are climbing high, the oxygen level is dropping, so you got to be fit if you are planning to do something like this. Okay, so here we have started our climb. We have come all that way from there. All that way. Now we are climbing up. I think that is where we have to go. And after a good lot of off-roading, we finally got some nice patch of road. Welcome to the world's highest motorable road. So as you can see, the weather on top is changing because yesterday those cyclists were telling us that from the last 2 days it was snowing on top. Where is the board? We made it, boys. I don't feel my fingers, but we made it.
Soft.
Okay, so after a lot of struggle, we are here at Umlingla, 19,024 feet, and it's chaos over here. People are just pushing to click a snap. It's not organized. There are some of our Indians also with the foreigners, along with the foreigners, which is really sad to see. But everyone is struggling and making it over here. So you should have some patience, guys. Nevertheless, we did it, and I'm happy. So once again, guys, if you all have enjoyed what all are watching, don't forget to hit the like button, comment if you're new to the channel, and enjoy things.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You made it. You made it.
Yeah. Alright, everybody. So that was it from the highest motorable road as of today. Yes, it was Umlingla. Now, yes, we did enjoy the ride going up and coming down. Yeah, there were moments which I did not capture when we were returning back. Those moments are always going to be there with me for the years to come. And yeah, we were a little unhappy with the way the situation was on top, with the chaos that was going on, but again, that's okay. At places like this, these things are bound to happen. So again, if you guys have enjoyed what all I've watched, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and the most important thing, comment, as those things keep me going. So I'm ending this vlog here. So till next time guys, stay in, ride safe, and do keep in mind there is someone waiting back at home for you. See ya.